Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on 2019 Dodge Charger. Begin by parking on level ground about 25 feet from a flat wall, measure headlight center lines, and mark the wall at those heights. Turn on low beams, back up to the 25-foot mark, and ensure vehicle load is normal. Keep tools ready like a tape measure, masking tape, and a screwdriver for final tweaks. To adjust headlights, you only need a few basic tools and clear steps to follow. Grab a tape measure, masking tape, and the proper screwdriver for the adjustment screws. Prepare a flat vertical surface and good lighting so you can see the beam cutoff. Clear any cargo that might affect vehicle stance and have a helper if possible to operate beams while you turn screws. Simple tools make the job quick and precise. Start with low beams and aim the vehicle straight toward your marked wall lines. Loosen the adjustment screws slightly, then turn the vertical screw until the top of the beam matches the marks at 25 feet. Adjust horizontal aim so both beams align symmetrically and do not cross center line more than necessary. Recheck after a short test, drive and refine small turns until you achieve safe, consistent illumination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.